What is up, guys? Samurai Genius here, back with another video. And in this video, we're going to be learning about functions. Ooh. So, a lot of things we use in JavaScript is functions, and functions are very important. They're like literally the basis for React, which is a front-end framework. It's like components are front-end, but that's a little overcomplicated for this video. So, let's just learn how functions work. The first thing to make a function is write function. Then we write the name of it. Let's just say print number. That's Python naming syntax. So there's something called like naming syntax. It doesn't really matter in these languages, but usually in Python, in JavaScript, we would use something called camel case, which is basically the first word starts with lowercase, and all the words after that are in capital. There's also Pascal case, which is like this, but that's mostly for classes in JavaScript. But in Python, we do this. So we put a, underscore. But anyways, this is how you do it. So now, these parentheses are where you pass in arguments or parameters. So say you want your function to take in an input and then give you an output. It's like how console.log, you enter in the string you want and it'll print it out onto the console. So let's just say we want a number. I'm going to put num for short. And so let's just print out that number. So now to call this, you just put print number. They put parentheses to like actually use that function. Inside the parentheses, we put the number we want. Now if we run this, it's going to print out 6 to the console. So you just learned what functions are and how to use them in JavaScript. So, yeah. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Like it. Like this video if you want to. It would be very not helpful if you do. Maybe share with people you think would like this. And also, click the notification button if you want to be notified when new videos come. So that's it for this video. Samurai, out.